How you doing tonight? Working on the Trans Am. So tonight we got a big night. Probably not going to get to all of it, but we're going to start plumbing the handbrake and brake lines for the car. Start running it back to the brake boosters and back to where the pedals are, and back to the rear and the front. Like I say, it's a big job, but it's a great night. Got the boys here. We're gonna rock at it and have fun. Woo! Cheers.
All right, guys, on the table, what we got here, we got some nice braided flex lines, front and back, all the bits and pieces, and ooh, what's that? A line lock. Heck yeah. We got the copper nickel hydrate brake line and the bits for the new emergency brakes.
So pretty.
The Bad Gas shop will be using the Master Cool Hydromatic brake line flarer, the absolute best flaring tool on the planet.
That's good sounds there, Andrew. That's good sounds there, buddy.
How come it sounds like the car's underwater?
Yeah,
Because it is.
hopefully not.
It's carbo.
Keep it on the ditch. Keep it between the ditches.
Quickly. Over there in your pool.
If you like this show, big thumbs up. If you're a
Big
subscriber,
thumbs up.
awesome.
We would love you.
You ready to go in?
You have to ask her. I'm not that kind of guy.
Yeah, look at this fancy brake line.
That is-
Oh,
Oh, you almost poked me.
under it. Oh yeah.
I'm going to do that side and I'll figure out how it's going to go over to here and bend it the way you want it. Once you get that bent, then you can go.
All right, boys, what are you at here tonight?
We're test fitting the Holly aftermarket sender unit that converts an old style tank to EFI. So it's got the fuel pump directly on it, and it's kind of got a funky way to go in. So.
That sounds pretty cool.
Just get a test fit for one screw, right?
Maybe. Yep, should go with that.
Sits like that.
You want to get her?
Well, we don't have a gasket on it, so it isn't sitting right, but it's.
Okay.
Yeah.
But that's right. That's
Yep, that's good.
that's pretty nice.
Yeah.
It's
Just have to flex this line out more.
She's some pretty.
Okay.
So I'm gonna take a little walk because I need a walk here. Oh, hold on. And guess who that is? Oh, wrong way.
See how it works is, we taking pictures of my belly?
No,
What's going on, Rod?
Pretty close. What's going on tonight?
We're just mocking up the rear brake lines. We still have to weld attach the axles here,
Okay.
but everything's kind of where it's gonna be. So
Oh, that looks good, buddy.
it's nice.
Oh yeah.
Once she's all flipped in and stuff, and nice and tight, and we got the you and Andrew got the one run front to back, and
Yeah. So we were working on this part here, on the junction all the way around. I gotta go in like this way. Yeah. See if I can turn it. It's kind of just roughed in right now, but it goes all the way up to the. We just got it left up there for now for the brake booster. For what else we got?
I totally got it.
We were working on the handbrake cables.
We were, unfortunately, the wrong one.
Yeah, we had an issue with the handbrake cables. We lost some time, but we learned a little bit of stuff too. Looks good, Sully,
Like that.
and stuff like that. Looks pretty underneath.
It's coming. Yeah, I like the way it looks.
Yeah, she looks good here. I like it.
All right, so you can see the guys here scrubbing down the tank, getting it ready for a coat of urethane. So we're going to give this a couple coats of urethane black and probably a coat of clear, and then we'll get it ready to put back in the car.
So it's been pretty good, productive night. I must say. We had some issues. We gotta figure it out later, but for the most part, we got brake lines ran. We gotta figure out how we're gonna run the fuel lines. We got the fuel tank all cleaned up and ready, prepped for paint. And now we're working on the brake lines and front brake lines and the brake boosters and the line lock. The boys are doing pretty good, and it was a great night. One of the best ones. I must say, it's good. It's fun.
Alright, so as you can tell, it's the next day. So we started going over the brake lines. Where we put them in with temporary clips, we replaced them with much nicer, fancy stainless steel ones. So the way that we put these in is with something called a riv nut, or some people call them a nutsert. So you basically drill a hole, and you can see Rod here with the gun, the rivsert gun. It kind of threads onto the front of the gun, and you push it into the hole, and you squeeze it much like a rivet gun, if you've ever used that. And it compresses it inside that drilled hole. And then when you take the gun off, you basically now have a set of threads that you can bolt the fasteners to. So we all got in on the action here. Here's Corey with set going down around the back of the frame there. So we use these basically all along, maybe every 10-12 inches where needed with the stainless fasteners. So here's a little look of what the final product looked like.
All right, I'm ready.
Hey, so my job was tonight, so far, these here, they're all stripped. And so I had to punch these out, the old ones, kind of drilled them out, got them out of here, straighten these all up, got some bolts that fit right and fit them in, and just had the welder and tacked them in, and kind of straighten out the bars so they look nice and 60, and go from there.
Great job, Rod. Those are the brackets that go in the rear bumper, right?
Rear bumper, yeah, that's what holds on the sides there.
Fantastic. Little bit of paint and they'll look just like new.
Thank you.
Okay, folks, a little update. We got all the brake lines bled here. There was lots of leaks, but we got all that sorted out. So she's got gas pedals installed. Didn't get to the seat we talked about doing, but we'll get there tomorrow. And Rod did a little bit of work with the front clip, making sure there was holes and clips on everything. And pretty soon we'll install his door here, and then we'll line all this stuff up before paint.
We'll get the back bracket done.
Yes, sir. And we got that back bracket done. What else do we get to do? We're done for the night, right?
Yeah, it was a good night, really good night. Yeah, brakes, brackets, got the holes done, and got a bunch of leaks fixed. Pretty pumped. It was a good night.
Sweet.
Hey guys, it's Corey from Bad Gas Productions. If you like this video, hit that like button so we can continue to provide you with the content that you want to see. And be sure to hit that subscribe and notify so you can stay up to date with the most current Bad Gas Productions content. From the crew here at Bad Gas, pedal down and hands on the wheel.